U.S. stocks posting a modest gain today, even with some dark clouds of faulty foreclosures hanging over bank shares. Courtney Donohoe has all the action from the New York Stock Exchange. Courtney.
Hey there, Pimm. Well, stocks started out strong on better than expected earnings from a slew of companies, from eBay to McDonald's, but stocks turning lower this afternoon, driven by those financials, but managed to come back in the end. The Dow up 38 points. Investors are concerned that banks will face more examinations about those mortgage transactions and that the banks will have to step in and buy those securities back. But the foreclosure crisis, it's forced the issue on who's going to bear the brunt of all those losses. JP Morgan predicts that bondholders will absorb most of the losses, but the bondholders may succeed in demanding refunds that could be about $200 billion, according to some estimates. And if the bank losses are more than what analysts expect, taxpayers may have to inject more capital into those financial companies. But we also can't forget about energy companies. We saw those stocks drop on the dollar rebound, plus a report showing China's oil processing grew the least in 18 months, Pimm.
Now, Courtney, just go back to earnings for just a second. I mean, because we had a few standouts today. Any surprises?
Well, eBay rallying today, the company forecasting higher than expected sales and earnings. That company halfway through a 3-year campaign to revive growth. Meantime, Travelers raising its full-year forecast, sales increasing. The insurer raising rates for homeowners to counter the slowdown in demand. Also, investment gains climbed. And McDonald's posting a 10% gain in third-quarter profit. New menu items in the U.S. doing that, Pimm.
All right, I want to thank you very much. Courtney Donohoe coming to us from the New York Stock Exchange.